In the month of July, we weren't too busy with custom orders, so we were free to create a ton of unique pieces to add to our physical and digital shop. Check out the creation process of everything we got done in July. Hello everyone and welcome back. This is the month of July and we're working on our second video where we show you guys every project we work on month by month. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, let's get it! Our first project for the month of July is gonna be to start filling up our Etsy shop. So these 8 pendants are gonna go directly into our shop. You can see that we've already pre-shaped all the pendants and everything. So the next step is we're gonna drill these out. So we just got done drilling out all these pieces. Now we're gonna move on to the wheels. We're gonna take these pieces and we're gonna start refining their shape. So there's no sharp edges and corners. Start rounding everything out. Just got done with all the pre-forming. Let's take a look at what we got here. You can see that now they don't have those sharp edges on them and everything is looking nice and round. There's no more of those sharp edges. We took all those down and we kind of feathered out the shapes. So our next step is we're gonna jump over to our 280 soft resin back wheel. We'll start doing the pre-polishing. The pre-polish is done. Look at these guys. Really nice looking pieces. And these are all dry right now. And you can see that they're already starting to have a little bit of a shine to them. The next step, start working on the final polish on these last 3 wheels. All these pieces have been nicely polished and we went around and got a peg bail set and you can see that they are all ready to be completed. So what I do is I use a 304 stainless steel chain and I measure it out to 18 inches or so. And with these set of pliers, these little cutters, I come through and just simply cut to 18 inches. We are going to need 2 small jump rings, a large jump ring, and a lobster clasp. Grab one end here. We're gonna attach the chain to the small jump ring here. And we're gonna attach the larger jump ring alongside with it. We're gonna take our second small jump ring, feed it through the other side of the chain, and then we're gonna attach our lobster clasp to it. We're gonna take the stone that we wanna mount, and I take one of these snap clips here, bend that open. We're gonna feed this bail loop through that snap ring, or you close up that little snapping clasp, like so. And now you have a lobster clasp on one side, a large jump ring on the other, and your necklace has been mounted. So I'm gonna go through and I'm gonna make 7 more of those. Let's get it. Here's what they're looking like. I mean, look at these pieces here. Nice, beautiful moss agate to rainforest jasper, Tennessee paint rock, and then the snakeskin jaspers. Yeah, I think these pieces came out really nice. So, all the pieces are done. I'm gonna get to work on getting photos of everything and start listing them on our Etsy. If you would like to support our channel, the best way to do so is to head to our Etsy shop and pick up one of these beautifully crafted pieces. Leave a like, subscribe to the channel. It really means a lot and we really appreciate every single subscriber, comment, and view that we get. Let's get on to the next project. Big thank you goes out to Night Owl Custom Apparel who helped us design and make these cool shirts and hats. They're a local shop here in Portland, Oregon, so if you need something made, hit them up. Link is down in the description. Alrighty, let's get started on project number 2. What do we got for project number 2? We have a special request from one of my friends. One of my friends ordered a rose quartz necklace and earring set from me. Something tragic kind of happened. Their dog ended up taking a big bite out of it. This is what we're working with. So he hit me up and he asked me, hey man, do you think you could repair this? So that's what we are gonna do today. We're gonna come through and try to flatten off this top a little bit. And then once we do that, we'll have to come around and repolish everything on these wheels. So the first step here, we are going to start flattening off the top and reshaping the piece. Let's get it. We just finished up on this grinding wheel here, and I think we got the rough shape that we wanted back out of the piece. You see we've taken off that sharp edge on the top, flattened it out, and then kind of feathered out the shape. But all in all, I think that's looking pretty good. We're gonna move over to our Dremel and we're gonna drill out maybe another 1/8 of an inch down into the center. We have got done with all the shaping and we have drilled out the little hole up top. As you can see where we shaped it out, it's all foggy up top now. So we're gonna come through, we're gonna pre-polish it, and then we're gonna take it through the rest of the grinding wheels to get a nice polish on the piece. Progress is being made and we're getting pretty close to finish with this piece. Just got done with the final polish on this guy. You could see that we took the top off, reshaped it, re-drilled it, and re-polished it. So I'd say that's a pretty successful repair. Let's take it back home and get a bale set on this thing. Trying to record this video here, and we got the master shopsmith making sure everything's being done properly and in order. This is our pretty boy, Mr. Neo. Got the piece all complete. This is what it's looking like. Here's a before and after the repair. I think it came out looking pretty darn good. This was a fun little project. It was my first time actually repairing a stone that's been damaged. So it's nice to know that, you know, I can do it and it's doable. Let's get on to the next project. Well, all right. We're about to start project number 3 for the month of July. We are going to start working on these 6 pendants right here. The 3 on the left there are some moss agate out of a moss agate tower I cut. We got 2 graveyard point plume agates, and then we have another one of those petrified palm root from Indonesia. We've already started to round off the corners and the edges. And this is what it looked like before, kind of a sharp edge. We're gonna come through, we're gonna round everything out, we're gonna do the pre-shaping, and then we're gonna move on to drilling and then polishing. Just got the final polish done on all these pendants here. We got our 3 moss agates. Got our plume agates in our reverse teardrop shapes as well. These came out fantastic. And our petrified palm root. Let's go ahead and take these guys home, set them on some peg bales, and do our finishing touches. We've just completed all 6 pieces, and I've got to say these are some of my favorites I've made so far. These 3 green moss agates came out looking so nice. The detail in these pieces are amazing. The petrified palm root looks really good, and the graveyard point plume agate looks absolutely awesome. I really like the reverse teardrop shape. In the month of July, we were able to complete 14 new pendants that are all going to be making it to our Etsy shop. Our goal for this year was to make 100 pendants in total, and after this month, we are sitting at 70 out of 100. If you like our creation process videos, leave a like, drop a comment, subscribe to the channel. We really appreciate all of you guys, and we'll catch you in the next video.